we're stuck in the snow. Bryce is currently digging us out with a little shovel. And a tow truck person just came by, asked if we needed a tow. Said he's gonna come back in a half an hour if we don't have it figured out by then. So that was nice of him. But we're generally in West Yellowstone. It's a little stressful. Everybody's hungry. And we don't know where we're sleeping tonight. A crew of snowmobilers just completely saved our lives.
Oh my god.
Here, take this.
Yeah.
So
That was tough. Keep going reverse now.
Keep going reverse.
Yeah. Get all the way out. Alright. Now, onward. Wow. Thank you guys.
What did you learn today, Bryce?
Idaho's really snowy. So is Montana. We got stuck in the snow. We've been in snow for, I don't know, a month and a half now. We've been ripping around Colorado all the way up to Montana, and you'd think, oh, you live in a van, like, van life, it's wintertime, why don't you head south and, like, go sit on a beach? I don't know.
I love the snow.
I don't know, yeah. Katie's like, oh, snow, snow. But tonight might have got her after we got stuck, had to get pushed out by snowmobiles. I don't know. I'm ready to go south, I think. But who knows what's actually going to happen. I'm not in charge, so.
You're in charge.
I don't know. Well, we left, well, we're leaving Idaho. I finally talked Katie into going somewhat south, I think. As you guys saw from yesterday, the whole getting stuck in the snow, having to find a different spot to sleep. We've been in snow for like a month and a half. I think it all got to her, and now she's ready. And what's crazy is she's driving.
Driving.
Go, Katie.
My palms are sweating.
Yeah. She has driving anxiety, so I was like, listen, there's only one way to get over that. Hop in the driver's seat. Yeah. I drive at least 99% of the time, maybe more. And the rules have changed today, so now I'm hanging out, got my feet up. This is gonna be sweet. We're like maybe 10 minutes into having Katie drive, and I think I'm revoking her driving privileges. She just made a random turn. Now we're going to check out the Potato Museum in Idaho.
How could you pass this thing up?
So
Good thing I'm driving. This would have been.
I definitely would have passed that up. We have to pay $12 now to go learn about the history of potatoes.
It's gonna be well worth it.
Hashtag Vanlife. We have arrived. We are at the Potato Museum. We're right next to a pretty busy road, so it's pretty loud, but they have a giant potato outside.
Pretty excited.
And we're gonna save you guys the $12 and basically just let you guys know about this tour. Origins of Katie, the Idaho potato. Fast fact for you guys. I think Katie should start putting potato blossoms in her hair. Another fast fact, potato plants grow flowers that look like green tomatoes, but they're actually poisonous. Boom, that's what it looks like.
Don't eat that. That would be bad.
Another fast fact.
An average American eats approximately 110 pounds of potatoes each year.
That's a lot.
That is a lot of potatoes.
It's a lot of French fries.
Makes sense. That's probably where I'm getting most of my potato.
Fun fact, again, apparently Thomas Jefferson actually introduced French fries to America, so way to go, Thomas Jefferson.
And John Adams thought he was in it for the clout by serving such novelties. You're never too far from home. Here we are in this Idaho Potato Museum, and there's some letters from 1929 that someone wrote to someone in Idaho from Chicago, Illinois, 9 South Kedzie Avenue. So that's really cool.
Fast fact. That's a lot of potatoes.
Mr. Potato Head, as far as toys go, Mr. Potato Head is about as famous as they come, with young children and adults alike recognizing the iconic figure. Remarkably, the toy is still in production, but has undergone quite a few makeovers in its time. Originally, it was produced as plastic parts with push pins that could be stuck into a real potato. However, complaints of rotting potatoes and new government safety regulations caused Hasbro to include a plastic potato body within the set in later years.
Katie, Tell us about what you just found.
Guys, this is the world's largest potato crisp.
This is basically just a big Pringle.
It's just a giant Pringle.
Which,
it's the size of what? 80 regular Pringles.
Yeah, 920 calories in that guy. And I hate Pringles, honestly.
I love Pringles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drop in the comments if you like or dislike Pringles. I think they're absolutely disgusting. Well, Katie, what'd you think?
I loved it.
There's a huge potato, so that's sweet. Well, we finished our potato museum tour, so that was fun. Now we're stopping for the night right outside of Salt Lake City. I think we found a pretty cool place to stay. We haven't had much luck lately with the whole like being able to actually access these campgrounds because of the snow, but hopefully this is a little better. There's not much snow out here right now, so it should be okay.
It's been a really steep drive up though so far.
Just gonna stop here for the night and then pick it back up tomorrow morning to finish our drive to Arches.
So we went up to the camp spot at Bountiful, Idaho, Utah. Not Idaho, Utah. It was really cool. We made it a lot of the way up there, but it got really icy really fast. It was a bit of a scary moment, but we turned around. We got to watch a really cool sunset, and then we decided to just put in a couple more hours of driving. Ended up at a rest stop. That was like actually a really cool rest stop. It was in the mountains. Now we're about an hour and a half from Arches. Can we just talk about how Bryce is outside cleaning the windshield right now in his robe at this random gas station? Like, really? You're not gonna put on normal clothes? Just gonna rip that in your robe. Rock and roll. We haven't had much luck with camp spots lately because they've been snowed in, so Katie is running up to check if it's worth it in case we get stuck. Let's see. I think she thinks it's cool. Oh, she's telling me to come. Okay. We're doing it. We made it. Bryce, way to trust your gut and follow through on this campsite.
Yeah. Everybody saw you give me the waves, so if we got stuck, it was your fault. I know. This looks pretty cool though. Nice 360 views all the way around. I think the sunset's gonna be pretty awesome. We've got a fire ring, we've got a little firewood. Katie, what are you doing?
Making snow angels. What are you doing?
Taking sick videos. That's probably gonna get at least 50,000 views on YouTube. Make it happen, all of our fans, please. That'd be really awesome. Well, we had an awesome fire. Got really cold, made some hot dogs over the fire. And now Katie is making brownies. I feel like every time you guys see us, we're either making cookies or making brownies.
And that's because we do it like every day.
Should be a pretty chill rest of the night.
So we made it to Arches.
It's pretty awesome.
It's really, really cool. We're doing a scenic drive that has lots of stops that you can do hikes on along the way. So we made it to the first stop. We're doing the hike. It's like a 2-mile hike. So come along.
Woo!
Check this place out.
On the tour, Balanced Rock. That's really insane. It really does just look like it needs to fall over, but it's not. Katie's gonna climb up there and see if she can push it off. Okay, so we got to our final destination. We are at the Delicate Arch trailhead. We're gonna hike it. It's like 3 miles. Shouldn't be too bad. However,
ask me if I've seen the Delicate Arch before.
she has. Sick. Did you hike it? Did you do that?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I'm a pretty big deal.
No, you didn't. You didn't.
I did.
You did the 3 mile hike?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah, you're pretty sure. Didn't happen. No, you didn't. Anyways, as we were pulling in, the parking lot is packed. And so we got lucky we were pulling in and somebody was pulling out. But then, I don't know if this happens to you guys, but this has happened to me multiple times. You're sitting there waiting for a spot, somebody's pulling out, and the person's taking like 5 minutes to pull out, whatever. And then somebody comes in and goes like next to my car and is then sitting there waiting for this person to pull out and is gonna like try to steal my spot.
Bryce didn't let that happen.
Yeah, I was like, no. So I like had to tell the person, I was like, yo, I'm taking that spot. They were like, oh, all right, sick. And then drove away. But yeah.
It was intense.
I don't like when that happens. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but I don't know, drop in the comments if it happens. But anyways, we're about to get ready to do this hike. I just had some candy to get me going.
We got really hungry.
Starving.
I had an apple and peanut butter. It was solid.
Yeah. Shows our differences in diet.
Jelly beans.
We need to buy food, so maybe we'll go
We're
grocery shopping.
Gross shopping.
I can't talk right now. We will go grocery shopping after this, but now let's rip this hike. Up here. I took an alternate route, so that's the, I forget what it's called, arch, whatever, but this is such a cool view. I really almost slipped getting up here. I'm also in this arch right now. Dope. Here's the way I took. Right down there. Well, we finished our tour of Arches National Park today. It was pretty
that?
cool.
Was that the tour?
That was our tour. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, smash it. I'm eating brownies. Of course, I'm getting fat. All I eat is candy, cookies, brownies. It's my life. But we're actually going to do some wedding planning now. So if you didn't know, we're engaged. We've been engaged for 1.5 years.
Probably.
Almost 2 years now.
Yeah.
We're like a couple months away from 2 years. That's kind of crazy. We haven't planned anything. So we're going to get on that tonight. Maybe before we watch a movie. Movie's going to get watched at some point. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.